everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite products that I've been using throughout the month of September. And that's going to be the video. So if you're interested in seeing my favorite products, please keep watching. So first up I have these really cute headbands. Believe it or not, I found these as a 4-pack on Amazon. Yes, Amazon. Honestly, headbands are really trendy right now. I don't wear them every single day, so I don't want to spend a lot of money. Sometimes I see people wear headbands and like swipe up for the link and they're like $300 headbands. I'm sorry, like $300 for a goddamn headband? It's legit a piece of like plastic with a piece of fabric over it. $300? If you're paying $300 for a headband, I don't know. I just feel like you're lost. I feel like you're lost. Your soul is lost. Anyways, moving along. It's just a headband. So if you're looking for headbands that are trendy right now, then you don't want to spend like $200, $150 even. If you just want to spend like for a 4-pack, $20, check out Amazon. I was worried they were going to come in a little bit like not high quality, but they're definitely great quality. Really love these velvet ones with the pearls. I think they're really cute. The only thing I wish about this color, I wish it was a little bit more white, but it is on the beige side, but it does look nice. It does look cute, but you have to wear the right outfit for it, obviously. And then we have these really cute ones. I'm pretty sure they're a knockoff of the Gucci because it looks like the Gucci kind of pattern. I don't really know. I don't really care. All I know is that I look cute when I'm wearing them and I didn't spend $300 for a Gucci one, you know? So anyways, if you're looking for really trendy headbands, definitely check out Amazon because you can find some really cute ones on there. Alright, moving along, I have this toner which I've been really loving. So this is from the brand called OK Beauty. It's the pH balancing gel toner. It's supposed to help tone, balance your skin, and the thing I like about it, it does contain tea tree oil and witch hazel. I was breaking out for a while there, so I did find that this worked. I was using this every single night. Why I really like this too is it's a gel, so you don't need a cotton pad. I kind of enjoy things that I don't necessarily need a cotton pad. It's liquidy, but it does have a slight gel texture to it, so you just legit put some on your fingertips, and then I go like this, and then I just pat it on my face. But I did find it did help with my breakouts. My skin has never looked better this week, so hopefully all my routine is helping. And I do like how that this is definitely affordable. You can find this at Shoppers Drug Mart. They have a lot of great products there. So, and their packaging is really, really cute. It's from Korea, this stuff, and it's really good. Okay, so the next product I have from them is also this guy right here. This is the Drying Pink Blemish Powder with tea tree and witch hazel. So we'll have a separation in the packaging normally. It's kind of clear up top and then it has like the pink, I'm assuming it's like clay powder underneath. You're supposed to take a Q-tip, you dip your Q-tip in, pull it up. You get this like pink clay kind of dot, and what you do is you dot it all over your face where you have imperfections, and you go to bed and you wake up and your imperfections are looking great. My husband was also using this. We did find a big difference while using it overnight. And when you wake up in the morning, I don't know if it's because of the way I sleep, but I don't think so. When you wake up, this is totally evaporated into your face and you have no pink items anymore. I don't know if it's just me or not, but they're totally gone. They disappear from my face. I really like this. Again, it's super affordable. I find it does work. I like the technology behind it from Korea, and it's great for vegans. Everything in this line is vegan suitable. So if you're a vegan, you can use this stuff. It's great. Another product I've been loving are the Listerine Go Tabs. So these are alcohol-free and sugar-free. What you do is you pop out the tab and you chew it. It becomes very liquidy in your mouth. You kind of give it a little swish and then you swallow. The reason why I love this is, number one, it keeps my breath fresh. Obviously right now we're all wearing masks when we're talking to people anyway, so at this point in the game, my breath, I don't really care because you're not really smelling it through the mask anyways. I can go eat garlic bread and it wouldn't matter because you won't really smell it. But for when the times come when the masks do not need to be worn, I will be always purchasing these. And another reason why I love these is because it keeps your breath super fresh for like an hour. Unlike a gum, if you kind of just like spit it out, your breath is not as like clean. This does feel like you took Listerine, swished it around in your mouth and spit it out in the sink. Another reason why I like these too is I can't chew gum. When I chew gum, I have a problem with my jaw and it actually creates a headache for me. So if you do have that problem when you can't chew a lot because you legit will get a headache from chewing gum, try something like this. Obviously mints, I use mints all the time, but I do find that these keep my breath in check for hours. It's just great. Awesome. Okay, I've been trying this for the last couple nights. I'm obsessed with it. It's great. This is the Tropez Glow Boosting Vitamin C and D Bronzing Water Mist. The reason why I like this is it gives me great color. I sprayed it on my body. I'm pretty sure this is like 2 applications. a very light misting. You don't even have to rub it in. I did kind of give it a quick rub just to make sure that everything was like spread evenly, but I like it because it's basically foolproof. You just spray it all over. It dries in seconds, it's clear, it doesn't stain any of your clothes, it has a really nice smell to it, and it just gives you a really pretty color. I just obviously would watch the back of your wrists right here, this area. You can get a little bit bunchy, so just watch right here. But I think that this is a really great self-tanner that's foolproof and very easy to use. And I like the ingredients on the Saint Tropez. It does contain, like this one contains mandarin orange, it also contains beet, citrus, avocado. There's a whole bunch of great ingredients in here. This is just a little sample size. You obviously comes in like a bigger one, but I will be buying the full size when this runs out because I really like this a lot. Next we move into a neck cream. I've been trying this one, I really like it. This is the Clarins Extra Firming Youthful Lift and Neck Decolette Care. The cream is definitely really nice. It's a lightweight in texture. Absorbs really well into the skin. I've been trying to, you know, prevent the check neck from happening when you're looking down at your phone, and honestly as we age this becomes a little bit crepey, so I'm trying to take care of it now so when I do get a little bit older I don't have a major issue. And this is great because they give you 75 ml, which is more than an average neck cream, and it's supposed to go all the way down onto your décolleté. I actually find now as I get older too, the way I guess I sleep on my side, if you have larger boobs, you kind of like squish your skin and then you start to get these lines down your chest, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but there's really nothing I can do other than try to use creams like this. I really like it. The smell on it is kind of floral, but it's not like offensive. I definitely can handle it. But the only downfall I hate about this packaging, I just don't like how I can't stand it up in my cupboard. Like you can't. Like you almost need like a little holder that stands up the product. So I kind of do wish they made it in a pump or even a jar. But this is not ideal for like trying to stand it up. But other than that, I think it's a really great product and I'm just gonna keep using it and hopefully my neck will never look better. Okay, so next I have the Belif AquaBalm Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. This is great. This effectively removes your makeup and impurities, and it also helps moisturize and soothe skin after cleansing. I really love this. It has the same smell as their creams. It's very fresh, kind of has like a lemony feel. It comes with a little spatula. You take the spatula, scoop some product out. You don't need a lot. You work it in your fingers, kind of warm up and make it into an oil. You work it all over your face, including your eyes. You can put it right in your eye. It does not burn at all. Really removes my makeup, but after I do use this, I will go in with a cleanser just to kind of remove any sort of oily like residue left on my face. Really love it though. It's amazing. If you love cleansing balms, you should check this out 100% because I think it's amazing. All right, next I have 3 lipsticks from Makeup Forever. This is part of their, I think it's called Rouge Artist. This is the Rouge Artist lipstick. I have 3 colors that are absolutely amazing. The cool thing about these are what's supposed to happen is you're supposed to take off the top and you're supposed to put them on the back. And then what happens is you have this really nice holder. It's very long, yes, it's very, very long. But if you're a makeup artist, you can kind of understand why they've done this. It gives you really precise application, really unique packaging as well, but the colors are absolutely stunning. So the first color I have is 154 Brazen Pink. It looks like that. It's really beautiful. So beautiful. I got so many compliments. I wore this one the other day and this is amazing. This color is called 314 Glowing Ginger. It's like the perfect hot fire Cheeto color. It's amazing. And then we have 200 Spirited Pink. This one is more on the bright side rather than this guy right here. Definitely this one's a great neutral, the one in the middle. This is a great pink if you're just looking to have some nice pink juicy lips. But these lipsticks are great. They glide on. They're fully pigmented. They last a good amount of hours on the lips. I really love the packaging. I think it's super unique and sleek. So yeah, if you're looking for a really nice new lipstick, definitely check these out because they're awesome. I also have these from Avon, which are amazing. These are the Ink High Gloss Lacquers. The 2 shades I've been using throughout the month, one's called Frozen Beige and the other one is called Rose Happening. I like actually mixing them together, so I'll show you in the back of my hand. I really like the applicator as well. It's like a flat foot. It really applies nicely on the lip. So we have this shade here, which is Frozen Beige, which is like So beautiful. It's in between a really nice nudie kind of brown color. I love this. I love this. I got a lot of compliments when I wore this actually. I showed it on my Instagram and people were like, that's a really nice color. Then we have this guy right here, which is the shade Rose Happening, which is also super beautiful on the pink side. When you mix them together, you get this really nice, like as you can see, it's like a neutral rosy kind of color. Really comfortable on the lips. They're not sticky whatsoever. They have a little bit of like a slick, put some on so you can see, a little bit of like a slippery kind of feel to them. But yeah, I love this. And I really love this beige color. I think it's like the perfect beige, you know, perfect. I also have this lip balm from Jessica Alba Honest Beauty line. I love this as well. This is in the shade Summer Melon. It's a tinted lip balm, and for a tinted lip balm, this gives you a lot of pigment. I really like the smell. I like the way this feels on the lip. I like how my lips just feel hydrated throughout the day. It's a really, really pretty light pink kind of melony color. If you wear this with a nice nude liner around the edges of your lip and then fill it in with this, you get this really soft, beautiful, just really hydrated, nice lip. So if you're looking for lip balms with color that are not too sheer, that just give you a little bit, plus it just hydrates the lip all day long, check out her line because she makes some really good lip balms. And that bronzer I've been just loving and just living for the last month that I talked about last month. But this is really good product. Really like these. So this is the La Roche Posay Pure Vitamin C10 Serum. I use this in the morning. I'm super duper in love with it. It comes out like, if you've ever tried their Hylu B5 serum, it's the same texture. It's kind of like a gel-ish texture, a little bit thick, you can kind of tell. It's a really cute dropper, so you pick up the product and it comes out. It's kind of thick like honey. You work it on the face. It has a really nice kind of pleasant, almost like a slight orange smell. Gives your skin a nice glow. Very, very hydrating. Doesn't break me out. I've been loving this, and the whole reason why I started to use this is because my mom was using it before me and she was raving about it. She's like, you have to try this serum. So I did, and I really love it. It does get a little bit brown here on the outside of the container because when vitamin C, as you can see, when it hits the air, it will oxidize. So this is normal. Don't be scared. On the outside of your packaging, you might get a little bit of something happening. Normal, just oxidization of the vitamin C product, which means you know that this is pure and beautiful. And then to end the video, I'm going to talk about the Neostrata Restore. This is their PHA Daily Moisturizer. It has 4% PHA in it. I freaking love this stuff. It's great. I use it every single morning. But it's supposed to be for sensitive, dry skin with rough texture and visible signs of aging. So I am getting a little bit of fine lines happening. I do get texture issues too around this area. So my chin and on the sides here, I do almost like get keratosis pilaris kind of bumps. Underneath the skin. They're not your typical kind of zit, so I kind of think it could be keratosis. I'm not too sure actually. But this does help just make my skin look smooth. This is another product I've added to my skincare regimen. I've just really noticed my skin just looking fabulous. So yes, I definitely 100% do recommend this, especially if you have dry skin and a little bit of a texture problem. This will help give you some radiance and overall a nice healthy glow. And the 4% PHA is a great exfoliant without being too harsh. I find if you do get a little bit higher in the PHA, it will kind of, it could irritate your skin if you're sensitive, so you have to use it like, you know, every so many days to work it into the skincare routine until your skin gets used to it. But for me, the 4% is great. It just kind of gets rid of the texture, gets rid of my dry skin in certain areas, and just makes my skin look smooth and radiant. So yes, I love this. Also love the packaging on this. Love how it has a little pump. I just love it. Love it. And it's a very nice lightweight gel kind of texture. It's in between like a gel and a cream, I would say, but very super hydrating. So check it out if you're looking for something like this. This works. It does. Okay, this will be the end of my video. I really hope you did enjoy it. If you did, as always, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.